Sorry we got cut off, but now let me explain production bonus. And I'm going to do a couple of different scenarios here so that I can teach each and every phase of the bonus that we have. The first one is called the GET team, Global Expansion Team. And in this one, you earn a 2%. Okay, so, and it will look something like this. You, a 50%, okay? And then you have 2 people that each bring 2 people that each bring 2 people, and leads you to the 14 supervisors. Now remember, in order to have something look like this, you might get a bunch more, okay, on your first level to actually get this amount. So same package, we're basing it off about $2,000. So this will be a total of 28,000, okay? And the reason why I'm using this example is because to get to the GET team, okay, you need to do 3 consecutive months of 20,000 points in production, which is equivalent to 1,000 royalties, and that would automatically qualify you to start doing a 2% production bonus as long as your organization continues to produce the 20,000 plus and you make your 2,500 personally documented volume points. So in this scenario, in royalties, RO equals 1,400. Okay, now in production bonus, which is 2%. Now the beautiful thing about the production bonus is you get it to infinite. So if you had, for example, if you had 7 more lines going down, their production is also part of that 2%. But let's just say you had an organization that looks just like this. In production bonus, you are looking at about, I don't know, roughly $600. So you can see how as a GET team, you earn about $2,000 in royalties and production bonus, plus wholesale, plus your retail. That's about $4,000 a month. So the second one is called MIL team, Millionaire team. Okay, now the bonus goes up to 4%. And then example, you again, a 50. Now you bring 3 people that each bring 3 people that each bring 3 people. Now we're talking about 39 supervisors. Okay, you multiply that times 2,000, okay, gives you 78,000. Now this is, I'm gonna use this, remember it's an example. To be a millionaire team, you need 80,000 points. Let's say this was 80,000, okay? You need 80,000 points, 3 consecutive months, and then you start activating that 4%. So in royalties, which is 5%, you have $4,000, okay? Now, production bonus, you are looking at $3,200. So as a millionaire team member, just in this, you have about 7,200. I'll add wholesale, add retail. You are looking at about close to $10,000 a month as a millionaire team member. And now remember, this is not average. You know, it takes a lot of hard work for somebody to get to levels like this in the company. You can go on my Herbalife.com to see the compensation, the average compensation. But people that are willing to work hard and to really commit can achieve, you know, results like this. Now, does it take, how many people does it take you to get your first 3 very serious people? Well, it could take 10, it could take 30, 20, 40. I don't know. It depends. So now I'm going to take you to what is called the graduation, which is president's team. Now the bonus goes up to 6%, which is beautiful, right? So now we go, this is you again. Now you bring 5. That bring 5, that bring 5. And then things get really interesting here. And let me tell you, we've been able to have, you know, an organization, a very solid organization like this, but we had to bring in lots of people. We brought about 100 of these guys to have about 25 really serious and committed ones. So you can understand how you have to get a lot of people, and then from there, there's going to be some that would stay. Not everybody's going to stay. Not everybody's going to be successful, but so you have an idea. So here we have about 155 supervisors times the same 2,000. you're talking about $310,000 worth of sales, right? When you multiply that times 5%, you're talking about, in royalties alone, $15,500. Now, this is the top 1% of the company. Is a very elite group. Okay, not everybody achieves the president's team, and it takes an average of about 13 years to do it. However, there are many people. There's about 500 people in the U.S. that have accomplished this level. So, you know, if they can do it, you can possibly do it, as long as you're willing to work hard and really focus on this. Now, bonus 6%. So the bonus of this alone, remember, it can go infinite, but let's just round it up to what you got here. So the bonus alone of $310,000 at 6% will be about $18,000 roughly. So now you can see how income here is $33,500, not including wholesale, not including retail. So you have an idea of what a president's team member can accomplish in the business.